Hello everyone. It's Monday, July 13th, and it's a new trading week, and it's 8:26 a.m., 4 minutes until the market opens. Okay, let's go ahead. What I did here is I marked the overnight high, which is right here. Okay. Remember, the overnight high has to be between 1700 hours. Okay. And market open. So between 1700 and market open, the highest point was right here. I did the same thing for overnight low. The lowest point in that time period was right over here. So went ahead and marked that. All you got to do is wherever you want to mark a line, you just click on this plus sign and it says draw horizontal line, and it does it for you. Now we look at what the current chart is doing on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, and we see a couple things here. We see the VWAP is above here. Market is trading currently under the VWAP. You can see all that. You can see the 21 EMA is above the 9 EMA. So the market is currently, what this is telling me, it's in a current downwards trend. Okay, so in this trend we would not buy, we would only look for sell opportunities. So be it on pullbacks, if this pulls back we would sell like that, of course with confirmation whatever happens at 8:30. Okay. Last night I did $28, full transparency. I logged in last night in the overnight session and I took one trade on the MNQ. I set my stop take profit to 30 and I let it ride. It stopped me out at 30 bucks. At the peak I was at 100. I could have cashed that out, but it was more so for experimental purposes, you can say. This is the third day in this XFA. I'm trying to get a cash out this week. I'm not in no hurry to get a cash out, but a cash out would be nice. So we're just gonna do our thing here. I always refresh the VWAP every once in a while because on my it doesn't automatically update. It updates when I refresh it, so it's right there. Okay, market opens in a minute, and yeah, we're gonna try to make whatever 150, 200 bucks. Play the pullbacks like I normally do. Watch for support resistance levels at the 9 and 21 EMA. Watch for support resistance at the VWAP, and look for overnight high-low breakouts if there is. It's kind of just trading in the middle of these two right now, so it's a long way from that. 29,710, well, 200 points away from there, and about 300 points away from there. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna wait for the market to open, see what the first candle does, and then react accordingly. Remember, we're not predicting anything in trading, we're always being reactive. And remember, never hesitate. Trust your gut, trust your instincts. Okay guys, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Market's open. Ding ding ding. I love it. I love the sound of the market opening. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to turn my volume up because I hate the sound of order field. I don't like that. Go ahead and turn that shit off. We'll just watch the first candle, see how it reacts, see what's going on. There's the overnight low. Remember, never hesitate, right? You got to be confident in your work here. And let's see how this candle closes. Is it going to close below the 21 EMA, below the 9 EMA, or is it going to close green? The last minute actually closed green. Look at that. Second candle got some momentum. Not much volume in the first candle. Didn't really close with much volume. Not much conviction either way. So let's see what the second candle does to make sure we're on the 1 minute time frame, just to make sure we're trading NQ here, not MNQ. Just make sure everything is correct. Tamundo. The price action on this candle was quite a bit, so it went all the way down to here, and actually now it's pushing up here. So it's interesting to me to see that. The view up is right there still. If it pushes down here, let's see. I want to see how this candle closes. Pushes down here, we could probably buy, because again, you see the 9 EMA is moving slowly above the purple EMA, right? The trend is slowly starting to be different here. It's switching to an uptrend. This is an important candle. I want to see how it closes. Normally I would buy here, right? And buy that pullback right there and then cash out right there. But let's see what happens here. Let's see if it breaks through the bottom Bollinger Band. You could have just went boop, 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 and then poof, down too, right? So these candles are important right here, because now we're still under the VWAP. Now the 21 EMA is catching up to the green EMA. We can see that. We gotta see how this candle closes, because I think this is gonna just free fall here. If that's the case, we can make some money here for sure. Let's see this new candle here. This is a very important candle. Yeah, this is gonna fall. This is falling down for sure. I don't want to buy at the. I don't want to buy at the bottom, but it's gonna keep falling. You just when you watch these charts for so long, you just know what's gonna happen really. But I just gotta get a better spot here. I want to sell. See. I said don't hesitate, right? I hesitated. Look at this. I hesitated hard and look at it dropped. It's gonna keep dropping. It's gonna keep dropping. You just gotta pull the trigger sometimes. You gotta be confident in your own work. It's okay. We'll wait for this candle to close and see what the other candle does. Okay, we're right there. We didn't get the best spot. We need this to fall. Come on. I'm gonna have to close out this one and take a small loss if it doesn't drop ASAP. There it is, come on. Drop, 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 you know, okay. Boom, 150. That's it, baby. That's all we do around here, man. With conviction. That's right. So we held on to it because, you know, I mean, we could have sold here, but we didn't. We just wanted to hold longer. So we did what we had to do. We played the pullback perfectly. Everything lined up. The story added up. Market's trading under the VWAP. The 21 EMA is above the green EMA, and we waited for here. We could have got a better position, but we got it. Full transparency here. We took one trade. We're still at traded win percentage 100%. 1, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades total, and we got 1, 2, 3 winning days out the way, and that's it. Monday, it's 8:36 a.m. and I'm done for the day. And just like that, we go ahead and lock ourselves out so we don't do anything stupid. Go ahead and lock out until tomorrow, and that's it. And this full session will be uploaded to YouTube. So if you guys like this trading session, real, raw, unedited, and if you like my explanation, please leave a comment, subscribe, and help me grow my channel so I can help further educate everyone. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.